Isfahan. Today we are walking and checking out the city of Isfahan. So it's really tricky here with the cars and the motors. Wow, look at the streets. It's wonderful right here. Persian.
Products is more. And just is a good opportunity for the people who come in here. Also, you can use credit card, Visa, Master.
Wow.
You know this.
The price for this, let's say.
Yes, silk carpet, because silk is like gold, and weaving silk is very difficult. For example, in this size, we have it starts from $180 to $200 till maximum.
$100?
Yes, because these are silk. But this one is wool, only wool. This one is only $40-50.
This is $40-50.
Because this one it takes 20 days to weave. This one it takes 3 months to weave.
Yeah.
That's silk.
That,
And yeah, this one is silk. Material also is different, you know.
Yeah. Wow.
Here also in our shop, it's
It looks
possible
pretty,
to use
to be
to
honest.
pay
It
with
looks
the credit
pretty.
cards.
Yeah, thank you.
Visa or Master.
آقا نمایشی که مشاهده کردیم نمایش
This is, guys, one of the biggest squares in the world. Just look how big is it. Wow, I definitely love this square. Probably one of the most beautiful ones I have ever seen. Plus, this is very historical. And wow, just look at this behind me. This is the Ali Kapoor Palace. I think I pronounced it good. But it looks pretty awesome. Yeah, definitely one of the most beautiful squares I ever visited. Definitely one of the most beautiful cities I've ever visited, because this is very unique. First time for me to exit out of Europe. First time for me in the Middle East. Definitely will come again. Definitely will visit more countries. Iran. I'm very impressed from Iran. Very kind people everywhere. They are trying to help you. Everyone is kind. Everyone is polite. Everyone with smiles. Anyways, I'm very impressed from this mosques and this square. It's beautiful. Wow. Wherever you walk, you have this amazing view. This ceramic, beautiful architecture. Wow. And Persian. Wow. Just amazing. Just amazing. Look at this. What is this guy doing? Hello, hi. Hello. You good? Thank you. You're from here? Iran?
Yes.
Nice. Nice. What is he doing?
Playing in theater.
Theater. Ah,
دخترم اومد بخشوادی اینطوری برید همه اینجا رو پر کن این شکلی ندونی ها سورپرایز هر وقت اومد خودم اشاره میکنم اون وقت شما دست بزنید یه چند لحظه این کارباراتون رو دهنید کنار با اون نباش بیا حاجی بیا جلو یه برگونه چند دقیقی صبر بکن بیه سورپرایز دارم بیا بشی خودت تماشا بکن ببین بذار خوردم پیش دفاشم
ببینم محمد چی نگاه کنم
Open theater. Although we don't understand the language, so that's a little bit difficult. But it seems interesting, different than all the other manifestations on squares in places I have been, which are places in Europe. And look at these guys. They're entertaining the people.
بچه کمش کردی زن میخوام دخترم خوشحال کنم بگه این خاص تو نی
معلومه با این معرکه‌ای که تو گرفتی محمد
Photo.
Okay, let's go to the
Ready to eat some food? Bro.
What is your reason that you came here in Iran? This is my reason. One of my reasons.
To eat food in Iran.
Shit. Ah, I know.
It's good. You want to try?
Yeah, for a bit, I think.
I like it. Nice.
Want to try it?
Yeah. Go.
Yeah, good. Try it.
Coca-Cola is also good here. Different.
I want to try some tomato soup.
Now you got it opportunity. Can I also?
Wow. Wow.
Not bad.
That's tasty.
Want to steal some crackers?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Wow.
Pretty long. There's other tours. It's rice, but
Yeah. It's really hard.
I'm confused.
I'm sorry. Very good. We like it. You sell this stuff?
Yes, everything for sale.
Everything's for sale. Okay. Робимо кидаме?
Да.
For example, how much?
Пушки за нещо. Види. Свикнаем се ти покажа.
Nothing about the tour, probably. About to try some sweets, huh? I want to record him. Yes. No, not you're shy. You're shy. You can. Okay, wait. Order. We will order from this guy.
Millions.
Let's spend your million, bro. Moje gostin. My guest. Which? My guest. Macedonia, you know?
Where is that?
It's in the Balkans. So.
Europe?
Yeah, the first.
Buraya? Oh, thank you. Thank you. There you go, bro.
From
Macedonia. Okay, merci. Bye.
Wait, later. Can we go for a coffee? We want to offer you coffee. Okay? Да одеме после на кафе.
Okay.
Сакаме да те почестиме. Инсистираме. No problem. Yes, okay. Again.
World's first boulevard. Walking on it.
Kako banka?
Wow. Red light flashing, everyone is passing. Ay.
To było z powodu.
Ay. Wow. Looks interesting, bro.
Famous bridge has not.
Really?
There is bridge, but there is no river. Ah, bro, let's see the river. See the river. See the river, bro.
But our stone bridge in Skopje.
There's a river.
But doesn't work the lights. She works.
I like these lights.
A sim is set from it.